Yo, it's Marwin. Today I'm making seared monkfish, aka poor man's lobster. The name comes from the fact that it's got a similar taste and texture as lobster, but without the same price tag. The technique I'm gonna use works on pretty much any white fish, so definitely can adjust this recipe for other fish types that you prefer. The key is to use kind of heavy bottom skillet. I'm using ghee, which is the high smoke point oil, great for cooking at high heat. And I'm just gonna sear the monkfish, which I've seasoned with some Creole spice seasoning. You can season it simply with salt and pepper or whatever seasonings you wish. I'm gonna add lemon that I'm gonna char in the pan while I cook the fish. And try to get a nice sear on each side, a few minutes per side, on the flip, and then, add some butter that I'm gonna use to baste my fish with. And, really just kind of give that nice buttery flavor. It's gonna brown a little bit, so even add a little more complexity to that fish. And, that's kind of the beginnings of like the base flavor for the dish. You're gonna have a lemon butter vibe, but I'm gonna add a couple more ingredients just to kind of round things out, to give it a little more complexity, a little more depth to the dish. So I have some fresh thyme that I'm adding. Sometimes I like tarragon, but I'm working with the thyme here. And I'm just gonna baste a lot to get the color that I want, as well as that butter flavor throughout the fish, getting that texture really proper and really right on the outside. And that's it. That's really it to the dish. I mean, it comes together in a few minutes. And then I'm just gonna plate it using those same lemons that I've kind of had in the skillet. Put that on top. You can serve this with like rice, couscous, green vegetables like asparagus, spinach. And so that pan sauce is like really flavorful. It's got like the essence of the thyme, the lemon, and the butter. And so I'm just gonna continue to add that to the fish. And when I eat, I'm gonna dip and sop with my bread that I got on hand. Hey, that's how I roll. So if you're digging this dish, definitely leave a like or a thumbs up. Most importantly, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and get recipes to your inbox each week when I post new content. Thanks and peace out.